Hi everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about how to get started with API trading on Delta Exchange India. Okay, a lot of you may be already algo trading on Delta Exchange Global, so it will be a very simple shift from the global platform to the India platform. Also, for those of you who are new and are not algo trading yet, uh, it is a very simple thing which you should pick up quickly and start doing it. There are a lot of benefits of algo trading. For example, number one is that if you are trading manually, you can only see the screen for a limited amount of time, let's say maximum 5 hours a day or maximum 10 hours a day. You can't keep watching the screen for 24 hours a day, but an algo which you write can do that for you. So an algo can run 24 hours a day and can keep on executing your strategy without you having to waste any time on it. Also, algo trading takes away emotions out of the picture. So if you're an emotional trader, if you don't know how to manage your emotions well, algo trading is a good source for you, and algo trading is very easy to learn. So you'll see a lot of people teaching Python for free on YouTube. You can learn basic Python from them. The platform which we are using for algo trading is free. Delta's APIs are free. You can take help of ChatGPT, and most of the code which you need, we presented it here in this video only. So this video will be probably almost all you need to get started on algo trading, and plus a bit of help from learning a bit of Python or a bit of help from ChatGPT would help you get started with it. So the base URL or the endpoint is cdn.india.deltaex.org. Okay, we have four major APIs on Delta India. That is the products API, sticker, historical data, and orders. Products will give you information about the markets and the products which are available for trading. Tickers API will give you the real time price of any particular asset. Historical data will give you obviously the historical data for backtesting and building your strategies. And the orders API will help you execute your strategies. Okay, so let's start with the products API. It is very simple. The code which we have given here, you can just copy this code and paste it. And I'm using Jupyter Notebook for this purpose. You can use any uh, IDE of Python if you want. So what I'm doing is I will just copy the code and paste it here, and then I'll just print the products. So this will give me information about all of the products which are available on Delta India which we can trade. Also, the most important thing which you have to look for here is the ID. So ID is how you reference to a particular product when trading it. The next part is the price or the tickers API. So let's just test this out. And so this is supposed to give us the current price of the asset. So as you can see, the current price which this gives us is 66,130 for Bitcoin, and we can verify that by checking out the real live price of Bitcoin, which is around 66,124. So if I just run this code again, you'll see that the price is what we just saw on Delta X India. Okay, let's go to the historical data API. This will give us the historical data which is used for backtesting your strategies. You can build your strategies whether you're a manual trader or an algo trader. You can use this data to build your strategies and backtest them and see if they perform well or not. So this will give us all of the historical data. The resolution is 1 minute. The symbol defines what symbol, that is Bitcoin USDT, and the start and the end times are given in seconds. In the data, as you see, you can see the close, high, low, and open prices along with the time span and the volume. This may look very weird to see this as a data, but like I told you, you can use ChatGPT for everything. So I just asked ChatGPT to give me the better code to display this better, and this is what ChatGPT gives me. See, this data is now looking much more cleaner. So we can see the close price, high price, low price, open price, time, and volume. So you can use all of these parameters to build your own trading strategies. Now let's go to the orders API. Okay, so orders API is how you can actually trade on Delta Exchange and create and manage your existing orders. Okay, so for this, what you have to do is first copy and paste this. I'll just explain the code a bit. So we are importing 5 important libraries, that is hashlib, hmac, json, time and requests. Then it requires our API key and our API secret. How to create your API key and API secret? So just go to Delta India platform and click on API keys. Okay, it will ask you to do a two-factor authentication, and after that you can create your API. So let me just do the 2FA just in front of you. So I'll go to set up a 2FA. So what we have to do in this process is we have to download any authenticator app, for example Microsoft Authenticator or LastPass Authenticator, and then we have to proceed with the next. So you have to download the authenticator app, then scan the QR code, then save this backup key anywhere, because if you lose it you'll have to restart the 2FA process again, and then enable 2FA. So you'll have to enter an email verification code and a 2FA code sent to your authenticator app. After completing 2FA, just go to API keys, put in any API key name you want, whitelist your IP address, then give it read data and trading data permissions, and then click on create API key. You'll have to again enter the email verification and 2FA, and that's it. So you basically created an API key for yourself. Enter the API key and API secret. Of course I won't show it on the live stream. So after that, what will happen? So you're generating a signature with the data, and you're passing in the order data dictionary, which contains product ID, size, order type and side. So what does this mean? So 27 is a product ID which we just discussed above in the products API. So product ID 27 is for BTC USD. Size is 1. So 1 Bitcoin is equal to 1000 quantity. So 1 size would mean 0.001 Bitcoin. Then we are doing a market order and we are buying Bitcoin. Okay. So after we run this should buy 1 contract of Bitcoin futures for us, and let's see what happens. So I just run this code and let's check on the account. So as you can see, 1 contract of BTC USD has been market bought. The notional size is 66 US dollars. This is the entry price, this is the index price, and that is, the UPNL is 0. So this is how you can execute trades via APIs on Delta India. If you want more videos like this, do let us know in the comments below and we'll make more in this series. Thank you everyone for watching.